Hello guys, good afternoon. Happy Sunday guys. Okay, today we received a parcel from my friends. So you're not gonna open it. Let's unboxing what inside. You be careful. This is using JNT POS. So if you order something, the POS you pay after the item is arrived. So it's like very well packing guys. Let's look what inside. Dua. Okay, sorry guys. Ada wow, this is very well wrapped guys. A lot of glue. Dia packing sangat-sangat bagus guys. Tunggu banyak gum. Harap tidak rusak di dalam. Hopefully the item inside is not broken guys. Oh, tuh complicated di sini.
Sedikit lagi.
Let's have a look what inside. Oh, another wrap. Okay, she wrapped very good guys with bubble wrap.
Lagi.
Oh, another plastic. Oh, wow, very good wrap guys. Another one. Okay. I wonder what inside. What do you think is that, Gino?
Well wrap.
What?
Inside.
What do you think inside?
Container.
Container. Okay. Wow, what is this? What is this, Gino?
Bosou.
Bosou. Okay, let's open it. Wash your hand first.
Banyak gum ini.
Wow.
Hilang aja.
Very well wrapped guys. So this is traditional food for Dusun people guys in Borneo. Very well packing guys. So if you wanna order Bosou or Jaruk or Perkasam, you can order from her guys. Okay, wash your hand first before you try. Try. Very hard, isn't it? Very well packing guys. I really recommend her. Whoa, the smell. Let me see what's inside. Wow, have a little bit of rice. I think this is Bosou pig, Radsom pig guys. Made of. Okay, let's try. aja no. What do you think?
Sedap ke pizza.
Language Dusun is come out, guys, after eating this. So if you want to learn language, just try eating this, then you can speak language Dusun.
Pizza ni.
Ooh.
Mau try kayo?
Okay, let me try it.
Yang macam apa itu?
Okay, this is Radsom, guys. It's made from rice, a little bit of salt, and this is black one. It's a fruit. In Dusun they call it bangak. I think in Malay they call it kepayang. So you always hear like mabuk kepayang. So the kepayang is must be this black one, guys. And this is a pig, guys. I order pig. So you can change it. If you are Muslim, you can change to fish. So it will be halal. But this is non-halal, guys. Then they preserve for 1 week, 2 weeks until they are ripe. Then you can eat them. Okay, let's try it. So taste. Let's try. Nagkin ada dia ke pizza ti asadap bah. Bang order ke lau.